हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
माता जी के सेट नियर मेरे को माइक पसंद नहीं है। तस्मात् कर्मसु बर्हिस्मन् शिशु कृता श्रोत्रा
कृता श्रोत्र
स्पष्टा वस्तुषु
अस्पृष्टवस्तुषु
बर्हिष्मन् अर्थकाशिषु दृष्टिं कृता श्रोत्रा विश्वा अस्पृष्ट वस्तुषु अस्मात् कर्मसु बर्हिष्मन् अर्थकाशिषु कथा श्रोत्रा अस्पृष्ट वस्तुषु कर्मसु बर्हिस्मन् अर्थकाशिषु दृष्टिं कृता श्रोत्रा वस्तुषु
तस्मात् कर्मसु बर्हिष्मन् अज्ञानादर्शितासु
किसने गिरा है? हाँ गिरा है किसने?
तस्मात् कर्मसु बर्हिष्मन् अज्ञानादर्थकाशुषु आत्मदृष्टिं कृता श्रोत्रा
Tasman, therefore, karmasu, in fruitive activities, barhishman, O King Prachina Barishat, Agyana, out of ignorance, Arthakashishu, in the glittering fruitive resort, Ma, never, Arthadrishtim, considering to be the aim of life, Kritaha, do, Shrotra, Sparshishu, pleasing to hear, Asprishta, without touching, Vartusu, real interest. My king Bharishman, you should never out of ignorance take to the Vedic rituals or to the fruitive activity which may be pleasing to hear or which may appear to be the goal of self-interest. You should never take this to be the ultimate goal of life. My dear King Bharishman, you should never, out of ignorance, take to the Vedic rituals or to the fruitive activity which may be pleasing to hear about or which may appear to be the goal of self-interest. You should never take these to be the ultimate goal of life.
Hare
Yes.
Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki jai. In Bhagavad Gita 2.42 to 43, it is said, Yam imam pushpitam vacham pravadyanti avipashchitaha vedavada ratha partha nanyad astiti vadinaha kamatmanatmanah स्वर्गपरा जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां क्रिया विशेष बहुलां भोगैश्वर्यं गतिं प्रति. Men of small knowledge are very much attached to the flowery words of the Vedas, which recommend various fruitive activities for elevation to heavenly planets, resultant good birth, power, and so forth. Being desirous of sense gratification and opulent life, they say that there is nothing more than this. Generally, people are very much attracted to the fruitive activities sanctioned in the Vedic literatures. One may be very much interested, attracted to becoming elevated to heavenly planets by performing great sacrifices like those of King Bharishman. Sri Narada Muni wanted to stop King Bharishman from engaging in such fruitive activities. Therefore, he is now directly telling him, don't be interested in such temporary benefits. In modern civilization, people are very much interested in exploiting the resources of material nature through the methods of science. Indeed, this is considered advancement. This is not actually advancement, however, it is simply pleasing to hear. Although we are advancing according to such concocted methods, we are forgetting our real purpose. Bhakti Vinoda Thakura therefore says, Jada Vidya Yata Mayara Vaibhava Tomara Bhajane Badha. Materialistic studies are the glare of Maya only, for they are an obstacle to spiritual progress. The temporary comforts of life experienced either on this planet or another planets are all to be taken as illusory because they do not touch the real purpose of life. The real purpose of life is to go back home, back to Godhead. Ignorant of the real purpose of life, people take to either gross materialistic activities or ritualistic activities. King Bharishman is herein requested not to be attached to such activities. In the Vedas, it is stated that the performance of sacrifice is the actual purpose of life. A section of Indian population known as Arya Samajas laid too much stress on the sacrificial portion of the Vedas. This verse indicates, however, that such sacrifices ought to be taken as illusory. Actually, the aim of human life should be God realization or Krishna consciousness. The Vedic performances are, of course, very glittering and pleasing to hear about, but they do not serve the real purpose of life. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Pralam Prabhuji.
Audio is clear.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Your audio is clear, but Mataji, when she spoke, we can hardly hear.
ठीक है. तस्मात् कर्म सुबर्हिष्मन्
कर्मसु बर्हिष्मन्
नादार्थकाशिषु होता
दृश्यं कथा
That is why you should never out ignorance, stay to the Vedic rituals, out of the fruitive activity, which may be pleasing to hear, which may appear to be the goal of self-interest. You should never take to this to the ultimate goal of life. Chalo, good. Interesting. Very, very. You just imagine. Always there is some kind of a message we want to give. In the media, which all of us are very interacted, very interested. So many movies come. Some movies has crossed 1,300 crores. That means how many people must have done that? One movie, people pay how much? 100, 200 rupee ticket. That means crores of people have watched that movie. Any movie you take for that matter, where people are sitting and absorbed, or what is the content? There is a hero, there is a villain. at the end hero wins. And what is hero? He is mix up of sinful activities, because all the heroes should have a girlfriend. That is sinful without marriage. That is not appreciated. Then he will be smoking also, again sinful activity. Sometimes they drink also. They gamble also. They eat meat also. So mix of some sinful activity and some upadharma, being nice, helping somebody, helping an innocent person. And there is a villain. Instead of upadharma, he has only vidharma, who does only sinful activity. He will be a personification of sinful activities. He will give pain to another person and relish. He will capture some innocent person like his girlfriend or somebody. He will kill somebody. And this hero, who is also sinful activity mix up plus little piety, will beat this person at the end of that will be always at the end of the movie, and will be very happy. Dishum, maja aa gaya. That's it. And you look at here in the Bhagavatam, something else is happening. This Barishman, what is the other name of this personality? Prachina Barishat, correct? This Barishman or Prachina Barishat, is he having any vidharma? No. He is a very pious person. Look at the discussion. They cannot even understand the discussion. The person is maybe the highest in the society today. A very pious. You don't have a person of the level of Barishman in the world today. Totally pious person, continuously doing yagnas all around the world for piety, good, extremely good person. These heroes cannot even imagine that. And Narad Muni has come to correct him. Like Bhagavad Gita also, Arjuna says, Krishna, let them have the kingdom. And if they attack me, I will not even retaliate. Correct? That's one. Very, very pious. Krishna is laughing at him. Krishna says, Ashochan anvashochastam pragyavadam sabhashase. Krishna is saying, Arjuna, you are speaking like a learned man, you are a fool, number one. Gatasun agatasun chananu shochandi pandita. Learned people don't speak like that. We go in the society, particularly जब डोनेशन के लिए जाते हैं, एक शब्द नहीं सुनता वो, सिर चाट देता है हमारा, correct? Because he is anybody little successful in society, थोड़े 2 रुपए जेब में है, he knows that's why we have come. And what happens? He'll eat our head out. एक शब्द कृष्णा कॉन्शियस का हम प्रचार नहीं कर पाते, सिर चाट जाता है ना? ये Similarly, Krishna is saying to Arjuna, you are also speaking like a learned man, but you are a fool, number one. Actually, such an opportunity, they can hear what is Krishna consciousness. मैंने तो किसी को नहीं देखा अभी. You will not find any person having so-called success of this life. थोड़ा पैसा है, थोड़ा इज्जत है, and we go for what? Solitary support, so that we want to preach Krishna consciousness. But these people, रे राम, कभी नहीं सुना किसी ने. स्वामी जी क्या होता है भगवत गीता में, और आप उनको बोलो कि I will teach you I know भगवत गीता, बिना पढ़े. I asked them, बिना पढ़े समझ आ गया. Like a satire. This is the reality. You cannot, you want to help also, you cannot help. Such condition the societies. So Prabhupada is speaking various angles of this. The first thing is that you see in the classic Hindu dharma, or for that matter any other religion, what is generally Hindu dharma? घर में कुछ पूजा होता है, some rituals are there, that has to be done. Just like there is a big tamasha happening in Tamil Nadu, कहीं पे दिया नहीं जलाने दे रहे, उसके लिए हाई कोर्ट में गया, अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ले जाना चाह रहे हैं, वो गवर्नमेंट एग्री, हम दिया नहीं जलाने देंगे, और उसके पीछे हमारे रिचुअल नहीं करने दे रहे, ये नहीं वो नहीं वो नहीं वो नहीं, है ना? And that is all the Hindu dharma is today. कुछ कर्म कांड होता है, कुछ पूजा होता है, सत्यनारायण कथा होता है घर में, या घर में एक पंडित जी आएंगे, एक पूजा होता है, ये होता है वो होता है. एंड उसमें थोड़ा कर्मकांडी ब्राह्मण को थोड़ा दक्षिणा दे देने का एंड में, जो भी हो सकता है, एंड हो गए हम रिलीजियस, है ना? दैट्स ऑल इट इज। भरिष्मन यही तो है, एंड इससे थोड़ा आगे है वो, बिकॉज इज अ किंग, कंटिन्यूस ही इज डूइंग वैदिक रिचुअल्स ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। Who knows the shloka? Yamimam pushpitam vacham. Yes, Kumud Mati ji, आता है?
Yes. Yamimam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitaha vedavadarata partha nanyadastiti vadinaha. Hare Krishna.
पूरा next वाला भी है।
कामात्माना स्वर्ग पराहा धर्म कर्म फल प्रदाम क्रिया विशेष बहुलाम भोगैश्वर्यम गति प्रति।
Thank you. Chalo, beautiful. Yes, anybody else knows this verse?
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्त्यवपश्चितः वेदवादरता पार्थ नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः कामात्मानः स्वर्गपरां धर्मकर्मफलप्रदां क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रतिं
ठीक है। नो, उतना काफी। अब सब लोग नोट कर लो इसको। ऑल दिस वर्सेस, इफ यू डू नॉट रिमेंबर, प्लीज नोट इट। यू शुड रिमेंबर, because buddhi has to be used. Otherwise, don't be lazy in remembering, practicing Krishna consciousness. We should. Your own faith will get confirmed. See, in the beginning when you are practicing Krishna consciousness, जो भी प्रभु जी बोलते हैं follow करते हैं, ठीक है ना? But at the later, when we read ourselves, we see that is what the Shastra says. We feel so delighted actually. I have not been misled. I have been given the right direction. Now, you tell somebody who is doing all this karmakanda activities at home, and most of the religions are doing that only today. Some 60 years हो गए, एक घर में पूजा होती है ना, पूरे सारे पाप कर्म माफ हो जाते हैं. Somebody was telling, भाई पंडित जी को बुलाया है, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, होम करेंगे, ये करेंगे. That's all it is. That is what Bharisman was expert in. And that Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna was telling, my dear Lord, if I kill my own relative, that is sinful activity. And if these people die, they will be Varna Shankara population, because people in different, the men are died at home, the mother may not be able to handle it. All the religious principles will go for a hell, and I will incur papa for that. He was giving a strong Vedic argument, correct? And I have heard, he said, I have heard, whoever is responsible for breaking the dharma goes to hell. He said, I have heard. ये भी मतलब authority quote कर रहा था. Krishna is setting the greatest authority, Krishna के सामने quote मार रहा है. I have heard. Heard means, Prabhupada says, that is the way to learn. I have heard from the Shastra that it is a sinful activity. So Krishna says, Yamimam pushpitam vacham. Thora flowery words of the Vedas, keep it aside. So, the Vedas are revealing different levels of dharma. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started the Nama Sankirtana in Mayapur, that is what happened. The काजी को कंप्लेन किसने किया था? मुस्लिम ने नहीं किया था, ब्राह्मण ने किया था कि बंद करो ये सब. क्यों? उनका धंधा बंद हो गया है ना. It closed because what is our Hindu dharma? भाई पूजा होती है, शिवरात्रि की पूजा है, पंडित जी को बुलाओ, पूजा करेंगे, दक्षिणा दो, है ना. ये श्राद्ध का दिन है, किसको बुलाओ, ये करेगा, वो करेगा. That's all. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, प्रेम पुमार तो महान. If you know more technicality, actually in karma kanda level, the dharma is only known as dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Dharma means some kind of superficial religious activity, mean all these rituals. Then being a dharmic person, I make some money, artha. Okay? Not sinful. I am a dharmic person, I make some work sincerely, definitely such person will excel. We have seen even children of devotees, they excel because house is pure. They are in Sattaguna, they do very well in studies, dharma, artha, they make good money. Then, very regulated, they enjoy their senses. Kama, but not irregulated, regulated. They marry, they have, they are not corrupt, they are honestly working without sinful activities, and they make some money and enjoy. They make money, artha, and then kama. And then after that, they become frustrated in their pursuit of sense enjoyment. They think some moksha is there. But no idea what is moksha, huh? No idea what is Vaikuntha, no idea about our relation to Krishna. So therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, these four are not, these are also sense enjoyment. The real thing is Prema Pumartha Mahan. We are all searching for home. अभी चल रहा है मार्स में घर बनाएंगे बिकॉज अर्थ में प्रॉब्लम है. इट्स ट्रिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स आर गेटिंग इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस आइडिया. वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर हाउस एवरीवेयर. बट सर, बी लिटिल प्रैक्टिकल. इट इज टेम्पररी. फर्स्ट थिंग, इवन यू आर टेम्पररी. इवन यू गो टू मार्स, यू विल डाई वन डे. सपोज मैं मार्स में जाके रहा, ठीक है भाई, थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा बिकॉज वो आपके लिए नहीं बना है. वसुधाति विभूति भिन्नम. Krishna has made different atmosphere for different living entities. वो आपके लिए नहीं है. बहुत ही कष्ट होगा, बहुत ही कष्ट. -140 -200 डिग्री टेम्परेचर उधर. क्या करोगे तुम लोग? हवा नहीं है उधर, ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. कितना कष्ट करके करोगे? चलो करो भी तो मरोगे ना उधर, जो हमेशा के लिए जिंदे रहोगे क्या? तो these are all temporary homes. So Bhagavatam is saying we have an eternal home. Paratasmat. Yes, who knows the shloka?
परस्तस्मास्तु भाव. Go ahead, Mataji.
Yes, Saptarishi.
परस्तस्मास्तु भावोऽन्यो
Yeah, continue.
व्यक्तो सनातनः.
Very good.
यस्य सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यत्सु न विनश्यति.
Yes, Saptarishi Mataji, one more time.
Come again, Prabhuji.
Paratasmat से शुरू कर. हाँ.
परतस्मास्तु भावोऽन्यः
व्यक्त व्यक्त अव्यक्त सनातन. हाँ.
सनातनः यस्य सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यत्सु न विनश्यति.
ठीक है. परस्तस्मात् means beyond this world that we see and we don't see. Vyakta, avyakta, because not everything we are able to see. Can we say everything in the material creation we can see? No. Today we saw one more place, scientists, oh, one more we saw, one more we saw. And you are, anyway you are seeing, you are not seeing perfectly, but some, you are getting some kind of a perception, but something you see, something you don't, doesn't matter. Beyond this, Paratasmat is the spiritual kingdom. Natad bhashate suryo. Yes, who knows this verse?
न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम.
Natad bhashate suryo. There is no need of sun there. It's illuminate planet. Na shashanka, no moon, no wind, no electricity, nothing. That is the spiritual kingdom. So Krishna is saying you belong to that spiritual kingdom. You go back. That is the message. Just like we say love letter. Bhagavad Gita, the love letter. Krishna as a supreme father is saying, my dear child, come back home. That's all. Actually Bhagavad Gita is only 2 lines. Please come back home. Krishna is inviting everybody. We are all searching for house in this world. Temporary है ना. कितना दिन रहेगा घर? बहुत शान से बनाते हैं, बड़ा बड़ा घर बनाते हैं लोग. कितना दिन रहेगा? घर भी टूट जाएगा, तुम भी टूट जाओगे, ये पृथ्वी भी टूट जाएगा एक दिन. ये पूरा यूनिवर्स भी टेम्पररी है. सो प्रहलाद महाराज से दैट इज व्हाई एवरीबॉडी इज इन एंजाइटी इन दिस वर्ल्ड. न साधु मन्ये असुरवर्य देहिनाम. हु रोट द श्लोक? तत् साधु मन्ये असुरवर्य देहिनाम.
मन्ये असुरवर्य देहिनां सदा समुद्विग्नातियाम सत्ग्रहात् हित्वात्मपातं गृहमन्धकूपं वनं गतं यद्धरिमाश्रयेते.
Very good. When you sing a shloka now, you can switch on the videos. Everybody can see how wonderful you are. है ना? I can also see. I don't know sometime who is this person. ठीक है? So he said that when his father asked, what is the greatest knowledge, my dear child, you have heard. So he doesn't teach what this idiots are taught in the present schools and colleges. He says, my dear father, the greatest knowledge is that Asuravarya Dehinam, oh best of the Asuras, we are always in anxiety. Sada samudvigna dhyam asadgrahat. Because we have taken shelter of temporary house, temporary situation. Because we are trying to make a permanent settlement in a temporary place. We are constantly in, because you know the truth, no? End of the day, जाना है एक दिन, है ना? वो anxiety रहता है. अभी we had recently in Mangalore very respected personality. Suddenly he had made so much arrangements. He opened 50 colleges, one man. And suddenly heart attack, finish. Whole family, we are shocked. What happened? होना ही था एक दिन. So this is part of life. We have to accept, है ना? So we are always in anxiety. मेरा कब नंबर आएगा? वो होता है ना, एम्बुलेंस चलती है ना, रोड पे देखते हैं, पाँव 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 पाँव, एंड वी गिव वे एंड ऑल. एक दिन हम बैठे होंगे उसमें, है ना? हम भी बैठना है एक दिन बैठना है, लेकिन नहीं, मेरे साथ नहीं होगा. ओके, व्हाट इज द श्लोक? युधिष्ठिर महाराज, मेरे साथ नहीं होगा.
अहनि अहनि च भूतानि गच्छन्ति यमालयम् शेषं स्थावरम् इच्छन्ति किम आश्चर्यम् यतः परम्.
अच्छे से गाओ ना उस पर.
अहनि अहनि च भूतानि गच्छन्ति यमालयम् शेषं स्थावरम् इच्छन्ति किम आश्चर्यम् यतः परम्.
When Yudhishthira Maharaj asked what is the biggest wonder in this world, he said this is the biggest wonder. Ahani ahani, Yamalayam, every moment people are going to hell, every moment. Shesha savara vichanti, but other people think Shesha, those who are remaining, सब तो गए, जो बच गए वो सोचते हैं स्थावरम, मैं नहीं जाने वाला. स्थावरम means I will stay, स्थिति. कि माश इससे बड़ा आश्चर्य दुनिया में क्या है? You look at him, who? युधिष्ठिर महाराज. This is so wonderful in this world. वो देख के खुश हो रहा है, क्या दुनिया है ये? This is the दुनिया, joke. So actually when you get Brahma Bhuta, Prasannatma, you are always in joy. Because you do not get trapped. Now, Prabhupada is saying, इतना तो समझ आ गया, in this world जो कर्म कांड ये सब है, these are all for material activities. अब ये कुछ धर्म बोलते हैं ना, इतनी हूर मिलेंगी ये सब, these are all material, no, at the end of the day. है क्या at the end of the day? कुछ भौतिक सुख से कोई नहीं खुश हुआ है. इधर ही या तुम्हारे so called स्वर्ग में. Even Indra is not happy. Nobody can be happy in this material world, including Brahma. Nobody without Krishna consciousness, nobody can be happy. Therefore, actually, there is only one shortage. What is the shortage? Krishna consciousness. There is no other shortage we are having. We are only having one shortage. What is? Krishna consciousness. But around us, we are bewildered by so many things, including this kind of karma kanda dharma. It's a bewilderment. And Prabhupada in the purport adds one more bewilderment. See, what is karma kanda dharma doing? It gives you a hope of a better material enjoyment. है ना? आकाश पुष्पायते. Who knows the shloka? कैवल्यम नरकायते. तिजश पूरा आकाश पुष्पायते. दुर्दांत इंद्रिय काल सर्प कपोट कदम सायते. विश्वम पूर्ण सुखायते. Nobody knows this? प्रबोधानंद स्वामी श्लोका. जल्दी लोकेट.
कैवल्यम नरकायते त्रिदशपुरम.
अरे अच्छे से गाओ. इतना सुंदर श्लोक है. हाँ, गाओ.
नहीं मालूम.
या लोकेट करो. कैवल्यम नरकायते त्रिदशपुर आकाश पुष्पायते दुर्दांत. हाँ, वो लोकेटेड. चलो.
कैवल्यम नरकायते त्रिदशपुरम आकाश पुष्पायते दुर्दांत इंद्रिय काल सर्प पतली प्रोतखात दस्त्रयते विश्वं पूर्णं सुखायते विधि महेन्द्रादिश च कीटायते यत कारुण्य कटाक्ष वैभववतं तम गौरमेव स्तुमः.
Gaurav Masuta, this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by Kataksha, little of his mercy we can achieve this. Kaivalyam narakayate. Most of the people they think ek din moksha ho jayega. They in English में बोलते rip, rest in peace. अरे जब मैं सोता हूँ उस समय तो आत्मा नहीं बैठती, उसमें स्वप्न आते रहते हैं. ये मरने के समय कैसे बैठेगी? बैठ नहीं सकती. आत्मा को मारना चाहते हो क्या? सुसाइड. आत्मा is always active. So this carry conception मरने के बाद नहीं, you are active. But what kind of activity? if you still have hope that you can enjoy in some kind of material life, you have to take birth again in this world. Correct? So now, Tidusapura Akasha Pushpayate, all this karma kanda activities, what it does, it creates some kind of a hope, because Vedas talk about that. You do this karma kanda activity, you do this karma kanda activity, you get a heavenly situation for enjoying with Apsaras. The other religions are also talking to that much only, heaven. But Vaikuntha is not revealed in any religion. It is only revealed in Bhagavatam. Only revealed in Bhagavad Gita. Generally, people know only that much only, most of the karma kanda. They do not know. Beyond that is the eternal hope for the soul. So there is bewilderment of enjoyment in this world in karma kanda. Therefore, we read the verse, Yam imam pushpatam vacham. Please neglect the flowery words of the Vedas. Correct? Prabhupada now is extending this to something. He's saying modern science is exactly causing the same kind of bewilderment. It's saying we work hard. And what happens if we work hard? We get into some heavenly situation. Correct? Actually, previously the people are more intelligent. Because they are going to enjoy heavenly situation not at the cost of destroying the earth. Now this is a big bewilderment. On earth we are trying to create a heavenly situation of enjoyment, but we are actually destroyed the nature. This is more foolish. Like you see in Mahabharata war, there were very divya weapons. But these weapons are not made in factories, huge, big factories, which are Ugra Karma. Some level of industrial enterprise was there, very small level. Because बाण बनाने के लिए तो कुछ तो आपका छोटा सा small scale industry, but there is no like Tata Iron and Steel. No, this is Ugra Karma, this is hell. नरक बना रहे हो पृथ्वी को, नष्ट कर दिया, अभी शर्म भी नहीं आती. If you make the scientists stand all line and show the condition of earth, they should be ashamed what they have done. Destroyed earth. किसका, तुम्हारा बाप का है क्या? What about other people? We don't have right to live. पर हम तो तुम्हारा साइंस में नहीं पढ़े. What right you have to destroy? Now I cannot breathe air in Delhi. What right they have to do that? उनका बाप का जमीन है क्या? They destroyed earth shamelessly. अभी शर्म भी नहीं आती. Actually they should hang their head in shame. We have destroyed earth. We are, please forgive us. ऐसा कंडीशन है अभी. घमंड इतना कि डिस्ट्रॉय करके भी मतलब एक आदमी नहीं बचेगा, तब जाके क्या शर्म करोगे क्या? अभी हाल ऐसा है कि 50 years it is destroyed, 100 years अभी species are not able to exist. अभी हाल देखो ना, the condition, the nature is destroyed, the earth is destroyed. That's what Bhagavatam is saying. And the Vedic culture, it is not there, they don't have facility. See, only Brahmana can have simple living, high thinking. The Vaishya and Kshatriya are polluted. They want comforts. But these comforts were created in a way not destroying the earth. Correct? They were not created in the way that today they are created. This is madness. कौन रोकेगा इन पागल को लोगों को? Madness. In the name of creating comfort, they are destroying earth. Half knowledge is the dangerous thing. Therefore, it is coming that the Ishopanishad 9 shloka, who knows the 9 shloka of Ishopanishad? लेके आओ. देखो अभी इन सब की पोल खोलता हूं. We are in Veda base. Yes. We are in Ishopanishad. देखो. Yes. We are in the 9 shloka. You look at the 9 shloka, what it says. Yeah, who is going to chant this?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Andam tama pravishanti ye avidyam upasate tato bhuya ivate tamo yayu vidyayam rataha.
Yeah. Yes, Mataji, you read the translation.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada.
Only translation is there. Yeah.
Those who engage in the culture of nascent activities shall enter into the darkest region of ignorance. Worse still are those engaged in the culture of so-called knowledge.
Just think about this much, Mataji. Culture of so-called knowledge. Actually, the people who are illiterate, Gawar, they are better than the people who are so-called educated. because they did not destroy the earth for us. These so-called educated people, so much they are proud. We have to educate, we are educate. What are you doing? Half knowledge is a dangerous thing. Half knowledge. 300 years ago, British, they say, in the Europe, they said, we are starting industrial revolution. We'll create a lot of comforts for you. We'll create communication for you. We'll create transport for you. But what is the result? Earth is destroyed. Half knowledge is a dangerous thing. It's not that they didn't create this thing at the cost of destroying earth. Actually, we were more better without these things. Another problem is that so much pride. An illiterate man doesn't have pride. If somebody has pride developed and more denying God. There was one person, Prabhupada takes this instance. He went to a scientist, Swamiji, we are very learned scientists. Why don't you study Bhagavad Gita? He said 700 years ago, when we didn't have science, we used to believe in God. Now we have understood. So Prabhupada said, this is the danger. Because, see, the real knowledge is to know God. End of the day, we have to dive under. And at that moment, whatever faith you have in God, whatever devotion you have in God, that will count. Otherwise, Bano Suvar, you are becoming a pig next life. Is that success of life? Is that success of life? You are a prime minister of the country, next life you become a dog. Is that a success of life? This is the waste of life. समझ नहीं आता लोगों को. It's so much. And certificate. In ignorance, people are lying. They are not enlightened that they are not body, they are spirit, soul. They are not enlightened that the soul has a continuous journey. And they're lost. They don't know purpose of life. ये भी नहीं मालूम, because suppose somebody doesn't understand the purpose and goal of life, he wastes his time in so-called endeavor. The huge endeavor is going on in the society today, how to be comfortable. Previously, Barishman was making a mistake, thinking I will do a lot of karmakanda activities, I will go to heaven. Shastra is rejecting that itself. Bhagavatam is rejecting that as a not an intelligent activity. Something similar is attempted today. So much kind of allurement. You know, what the scientists are saying today. And it's a half knowledge. Already शर्म नहीं आ रही, अर्थ को डिस्ट्रॉय करते, अब क्या करेगा तू? बंद कर देगा, कोई भी नहीं रहने का, ऐसा हालत. They saying we will go to Mars. कैसे रहोगे उधर बाबा? ऑक्सीजन नहीं है उधर. What is this? You give somebody just like ये देखो, I'm just so sad यार. ये गिरा है किसी ने. सब कुछ गिरेगा. दो कैमरा चला गया रिपेयर के लिए. बहुत ध्यान. This cost 10,000 rupees. इतना महंगा है. बहुत ध्यान से लॉक करके रखने का. Nobody should touch. You see? कहाँ से लाएंगे हम यार इसको? We have to spend money. So whatever we have, that earth suppose, we have to very carefully handle it. It's a God's gift. हमारा नहीं है. It's a God's gift to us. Very carefully we have to take care. In fact, even Einstein said, these are the gifts of nature. We should live in harmony with them. We have no right to destroy this. You know, it's a rin. We are indebted to the nature. Nature is taking care of us. So we are indebted to take care of nature. Otherwise, what do we do? So, without understanding any goal of life, we give only certificates and we create an illusion of advancement. So, Prabhupada counters. 700 years ago, people are dying. Have the people stopped dying today? You just see, there is an illusion created, there is advancement of civilization. There is no advancement, it is degradation. 700 years ago, people are dying, they are dying today. 700 years ago, people are becoming diseased, they are becoming diseased today. Everything is happening, same problems are there. East sun was rising, today also sun is rising from the east. What is the difference? There is no difference. Rather, people have become more tamasic. And so-called education. We create such a hawa. Send your children for education, send your children for education. मेरा बेटा है, सुबह उसका सरस्वती पूजा भी होता है घर में, कॉलेज में भी सरस्वती पूजा करते हैं. आगे when they start the batch, there is Saraswati puja. And not one element of knowledge is given to him. There is an illusion of skills and knowledge. Skills is not knowledge. Skills is कैसे जैसे कुत्ते को भी स्किल मालूम है कैसे जीना है, बिल्ली को भी स्किल मालूम है कैसे जीना है. Learning skill is not real knowledge. Knowledge is who am I? Knowledge is does God exist? Knowledge is if I am not the body, which body I'll go next life. Knowledge is what is the purpose of my life, why God has created this world. That is called knowledge. That's why when Arjuna was in the same thing in Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna was giving so much kind of understanding of his. That's like a TV में सब जगह चलता रहता है. किसी भी पॉलिटिशियन को बुला दो गलती से, एनी फंक्शन में माइक दे दो, घंटों बोलता रहता है. He's speaking nonsense actually, doesn't know. So then what happens? At that moment, actually there should be the society, we have to find a way to enlighten the society. It's totally so-called education has created a hawa that we are advancing. And people, what the scientists said today, what the scientists said today. अरे इन लोगों ने तो पृथ्वी ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, इनका तो मुंह बिल्कुल फेस काला हो गया शर्म के मारे. They do not even know what to do to recover now. ऐसा हालत में है. ठीक है. So at least at this time, sobriety has to come. Either I am scientist or I am not scientist or whatever I am, I should now at least become calm and peacefully think what is the purpose of life. Individually, collectively, the society has to change. And for that, only thing that can help is the Vedic knowledge. Nothing else can help. Other religions, not much knowledge. Some rituals only. And that also for heavenly pleasure. उससे भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला, है ना? The whole world has to now listen to the message from Gita and Bhagavatam for its own good. ऐसा नहीं है कि this is just for शांति, थोड़ा कीर्तन होता है, शांत लगता है, and I थोड़ा शांति लेके I'll run for sense enjoyment. लोग मंदिर किस लिए आते हैं? They pray to God, हमारा इंद्रिय भोग सब संतुष्ट कर दो, मेरा ये चीज ठीक कर दो, मेरा बेटे का एडमिशन ठीक कर दो, मेरा बेटी का शादी कर दो, उसका जॉब कर दो, उसका बच्चा कर दो, मेरा सारा जितना कोर्ट केस है सब खत्म कर दो, सारा. ये भगवान कोई का नौकर है तुम्हारा क्या है? उसको नौकर बना दिया क्या तुम्हारा? भगवान ये लाओ, जैसे मैं राशन को फोन करते थे ना, अरे 3 किलो चीनी, 5 किलो आटा सब ला दो. भगवान क्या तुम्हारा नौकर है क्या? लिस्ट लो, ये ले आओ क्या? अरे तुम भगवान के नौकर हो. ये समझोगे, then you will feel real joy in life, that this is the purpose of life. Somehow I forgot, but now sampratam lubdha buddhi. I am so fortunate now that under coming to the shelter of the Shastra, I am now become intelligent, and now I want to take shelter of Krishna, and then you will see real happiness for myself, and real happiness for the whole world will start. Therefore Prabhupada used to say, at least this much knowledge, we are not body, we are spirit, soul, can change the whole world. The world will be so peaceful, so happy. You got it? So there is one illusion of dharma, which is just ritual. This is not dharma. This is kaitava dharma. Bhagavatam begins by dharma projita kaitava. Who knows the shloka?
धर्म प्रोचित कैतवोत्र परमो निर्मत्सरं सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते तिम्मापरेश्वर सत्योरुत्यवरुत्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात्.
Thank you. So beautiful to hear. So dharma projita, है ना? Dharma, kaitava dharma is rejected in the beginning of Bhagavatam. At the end of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, give up all these cheating religions. Sarva dharmana parityaja. Dump all this kind of cheating religions. But Arjuna, your head is disturbed by that. Mam ekam sharanam. Come to real dharma. Okay? So Bhagavatam is also what it is doing. All to the Bhagavatam, we say people locked into so-called kind of kaitava dharma are actually given paro dharma. Hai? When there is Parikshit Maharaj is hearing from Shukamani, that is paro dharma. Hai? So there is a discussion of paro dharma all throughout. Prahlad Maharaj is meditating on the Lord, paro dharma. That is the example of perfectness. And people who are engaged in so-called Kaitava Dharma, they are enlightened, come to Parodharma. So this is Barishman, he is entrapped by some kind of a Kaitava Dharma, where there is Karma Kanda activities, and he has been enlightened. Please come to Parodharma. That's what Narad Muni is doing. Okay? We have Ajamila in a situation where he is in Vidharma. He said, please come to Parodharma. Okay? We have Daksha. Again Daksha. He is into so many rituals. Similar thing will be. I'm so proud also of that. We have Durvasa Muni. So tapasya is doing. Okay? There is a very beautiful shloka in the Shastra. I don't know. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. Anybody know the shloka?
Yes. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya Jati Shastra Japastapaha Apranais Apranayvasya
Apranasi Devasya.
Dehasya Mandanam Lokaranjanam. Mandanam Lokaranjanam.
I'll show you the shloka. Everybody should cram the shloka. This is the very essence. Okay? This is quoted in Chaitanya Charitamrita. I'll give it.
19.75 Madhya.
What is Chaitanya Charitamrita? We go and we go into Madhya Leela. Then we go into.
19th chapter.
You located just now?
Yes, Prabhuji. 75.
Very good. 75. Okay. Actually, if we have ChatGPT support, we can say go to the shloka immediately and it can go. Here it is. Okay? Look at the shloka. Please remember the shloka, everybody. Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya. If you see a civilization which is Bhakti Hinasya, in which Bhagavad Bhakti is not there. People do not even know who is Bhagavat. Who knows how many people know is Bhagavat? They don't know who is Bhagwan itself. किसी का पूजा रूम में देखो पूरा रखा है, देवी रखे हैं, देवता रखे हैं, भूत भी रखे हैं, मैंगलोर में सब रखे हैं. वो भगवत भक्ति नहीं होती. भगवत भक्ति हीनस्या. If we are deprived of Bhagavad Bhakti, Jati, Shastram, Japas, Tapaha. Even though they may be great Jati, America, we are very proud, a great civilization. Jati, let him a great parentage, you may be proud of, birth in a high caste, I am Brahmana, I am this, I am this. Shastram, you have knowledge also of the Shastra. Japaha, you can pronounce mantras very nicely. जप करते हो, पर तरह तरह के हरे कृष्ण मंत्र का जप होता है, बहुत मंत्र है, आप बहुत अच्छे से जप कर सकते हो. तपहा, बहुत तपस्या है, जस्ट लाइक आपके दुर्वासा मुनि, घनघोर तपस्या है. अप्राण से देहस्या, it is actually a dead body. Mandalam lokaranjanam. If when somebody dies, sometimes in poor families, उसको डेकोरेट कर देते हैं, पेंट एंड लगा के, लिपस्टिक लगा के, सिल्क के पूरे जिंदगी फटे फुटे कपड़े पहना हुआ था, गरीब आदमी था. जब मर जाता है, दे गिव हिम नाइस ड्रेस, सिल्क के कपड़े, एक लिपस्टिक वो लगा के मुस्कुरा, देखो कैसे मुस्कुरा. अरे मंडलम लोकरंजनम विद द डेड बॉडी, नो व्हाट यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग, नाउ इज डेड. So just this civilization, the decoration of the civilization, बोलते हैं हमारा भारत महान, मंडलम लोकरंजन. तुमको मालूम भी नहीं है भारत क्या है पहले. What do you want the country to be? Full of rituals that will not satisfy anybody. Mandalam lokaranjanam. Really the knowledge is missing. Correct? Today people are trying, many people are trying now around the world that phenomenon. We let us revive our own original culture. Rightist बोलते हैं. Leftist means they are more secular and mostly atheistic. Rightist they want. America, they want to make great Christian country again. India wants to make great Hindu country again. Many people. Some people want to make great Buddhist country and our own tradition, our blah blah blah. But mostly they are into the rituals and symbols and dress and all that. Correct? Somebody in one country wore the original dress in that country. People are shocked. So we want that. But actually you are only decorating a dead body. Bhagavad Bhakti Hina, because Bhagavad Bhakti nahi. When Prabhupada went to America, he saw the country, he said, such a wretched country. Why? Such beautiful flyovers, such big skyscrapers, very clean country with nice gardens. But when he could not see Bhagavad Bhakti, it's a dead civilization. Udhar Anand nahi hai. So actually what is missing in our life individually is that if the love for God arises in my heart, and you see the people in whose heart love of God arise, Traditionally in this country they are worshipped. आपके महाराष्ट्र में Tukaram is worshipped. Why? He is the one, so many sons are worshipped. Why? What was so special? Was he very rich? No. Was some scholar of the Vedas? May not be. Bhagavad Bhakti is addition in his heart. हमारे एरिया में मध्वाचार्य is worshipped. कोई भी मैंगलोर आता है, they go to मध्वाचार्य प्राचिका क्षेत्र and pays obeisance, or go to Udupi Kshetra. Why? Bhagavad Bhakti was enlightened. His heart was glowing, blowing rather, with huge bhakti to the Lord. So that is what is we need to arise. But if that is missing, even though there may be great, I am Brahmana, शास्त्रम, मेरे को पूरे वेद याद है, जपह, मैं सारे मंत्र जप कर सकता हूँ, तपह, मैं बहुत तपस्या, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग. This person is so hard working, this person is so hard working, but if he has not achieved the real purpose of his life to achieve Bhagavad Bhakti, Mandalam Loka Ranjana. Only fools will celebrate that. हाँ, ये किया, वो किया, ये किया, वो किया. But at the end of the day, Yamudada will not ask what you did. They will only, Yamaraj will say whether he has developed Bhagavad Bhakti. If he has developed Bhagavad Bhakti, he give you namaskar to you, send you back to the Vaikuntha Vimana, take you to the spiritual world. When you are going to the spiritual world, Bhagavatam describes all through the universe they throw flowers of respect. Correct? नहीं तो यमराज के पास गए और डंडे शुरू होते हैं उधर. अब इमेजिन, ये सोचो, सोसाइटी के मान सम्मान से हमको कुछ नहीं लेना. सोचो, जस्ट इमेजिन यू आर लिविंग द बॉडी नाउ एंड बाहर यमदूतास come. Is it very respectable? जब आप घर में हैं, कभी कभी किसी को पुलिस अरेस्ट करने आती है, बहुत रेस्पेक्टेबल होता है कि इससे बड़ी बेइज्जती क्या होती है. पुलिस आ रही है और सब घुस रहे हैं और डंडे मार रहे हैं, पैर तोड़ रहे हैं, घसीट रहे हैं, सबके सामने, सारा समाज चारों तरफ है और घसीट के ले जा रहे हैं. एक्चुअली कृष्णा इज वेरी काइंड. 99% पीपल व्हेन दे आर डाइंग, यमदूत आर ड्रैगिंग द पर्सन लाइक दैट. बट कृष्णा इज काइंड. दिखता नहीं है. अगर दिखता तो फंस जाते, है ना. अगर दिखे तो पूरा तो मृत्यु लोक का नाटक ही बंद हो जाएगा, वैकुंठ लोक नहीं. So Krishna doesn't want to disturb. So we cannot see all that. Actually, but the person knows ना, जिसको घसीटा जा रहा है उसको तो मालूम है ना, उसको तो मालूम है. चलो बाकी लोग नहीं देख सकते. Those are enlightened, they can see what is happening, है ना. So therefore he will not be disturbed. Dhira 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 satra namuhyati. He knows death, nobody dies, but he is watching what is happening. And when person like Parikshit Maharaj is leaving the body, when person like Bhagavatam describes the leaving body of Parikshit Maharaj, of so many great acharyas, at that time it's a time of celebration, because they're going back to the Lord's kingdom. When Parikshit Maharaj was leaving the body on the bank of the Ganges, all the great sages from the universe appeared. That's in first canto, and first canto continues. Even Bhisha, when he was leaving the body, all the great, because they know how to leave the body. And not only that, a celebration in the whole universe happens, the celebration. When Bhisha was leaving the body, there were drums being played in the whole universe. They were throwing flowers, the devatas were dancing. Such a great devotee of the Lord, now leaving back to the God's kingdom. That is success. So Bhagavad Bhakti Hina, if that is not your focus, the point is that if that is not the focus, life is waste. So one so-called advancement, what is happening, material science today, becomes waste if Bhagavad Bhakti is not there. But if Bhagavad Bhakti is there, even everything, all of this can be utilized. We are using the TV now, we are using the laptop for Bhagavad Bhakti, for spreading Bhagavad Bhakti. Fantastic. It is utilized. Everything can be utilized. But similarly, there is the illusion of dharma in so-called karma kanda and rituals. But if the goal is not Bhagavad Bhakti, even that is waste. Correct? That's what Narad Muni is instructing Bharishman or Prachina Bharishat, that let us focus on developing Shuddha Krishna Bhakti and our life. And Prabhupada is saying something very nice in the purport at the end. He said the whole thing can be achieved just by Krishna consciousness. Just by invoking Krishna consciousness, we can achieve this whole thing. Okay? Let me locate that, where we were. Yes, this is what it is. The next verse that comes towards the end. Yeah, the last paragraph you can read, Mataji.
Yes, One can go to the supreme planet Param Vrajet simply by chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. This is especially meant for the people of this age, Kaler Dosha Nidhi. It is the special advantage of this age that simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, one can be purified of all material contamination and return home back to Godhead. There is no doubt about this.
There is no doubt about this. So even in this situation that I am surrounded, see, I have to work for my livelihood. Okay, so I will be working somewhere. It may be scientific enterprise and all that. I have to do. Papi pet ka sawal hai, something I am doing. Okay. But even in this, whatever condition I am in, whatever, if I can see that I attentively hear the Nama of the Lord, I am chanting the Nama of the Lord, Prabhupada saying, simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, if I can do that, I will become purified of all material contamination. It's not that बहुत लोग बोलते हैं मरते समय होगा, मरते समय नहीं, अभी होना चाहिए purification. ऐसा नहीं है कि भगवान का कृपा नहीं मरने से, अभी क्यों नहीं आ रहा? That means you are not chanting. Chant properly, there should be purification, and then we return home back to Godhead. And Prabhupada is finally affirming there is no doubt about all this. This will be there. So whole life will become successful. So therefore, we should live our day in such a way that don't be distracted by so-called scientific advancement, allurements, this, that. Don't be distracted by anything. Focus your life in developing Shuddha Krishna Bhakti. And how you can do that? By chanting Hare Krishna. Attentively hear and then try to distribute the holy name. Correct? Because chant Hare Krishna, it is good. Then you can distribute. But distribution, you have to understand the philosophy. Then you have to add in, and then there is support of Pancharatrika Vidhi for our purification. Correct? And then everything. Otherwise, Hare Krishna mantra is sufficient. So why I should attend Aarti? Why I should take Prasadam? Why? No, you need support. Okay? But principal thing at the end is, if you do everything else, you don't chant Hare Krishna mantra, becomes mistake. Because that was the goal. The rest was the support. Okay? Rest is support. Therefore, in a day, the most important time is when you are chanting the Maha Mantra. The most important time is when you are participating in the Nama Sankirtana. That is most important. The rest all is actually nothing but a support that we are having for that. Okay, Hare Krishna everybody.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Namo Pranam. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Dhanavada. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Pranam Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare,
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare